Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you another electronics project with JLCPCB. This time it is protection circuit for speakers, which is very popular and useful. The speaker protection circuit is made to protect the audio amplifier and the loudspeakers during startup sequence, when the amplifier output might exhibit DC voltage. So I have designed the circuit in EasyEDA and sent it to JLCPCB to have it produced. Recently, JLCPCB has introduced a new offer. There is no additional fee for different PCB colors. Each of them costs the same as the green PCB, so have fun with colors. Okay, let's talk about the circuit. There are 3 relays because the device supports 2.1 audio system. Also, there are 3 transistors, some resistors, diodes, voltage regulator and full bridge rectifier. The rectifier is not necessary, but it's useful when you power the circuit with AC voltage. So how does it work? This device waits about 10 seconds after startup. Later on, relays are being switched, thus speakers are connected to the amplifier. It means that you will never hear as the speakers make crazy sound when amplifier is being switched on. Time of the delay can be set by changing the R1 resistor. Now it's 100 kΩ, which gives us 10-second delay. You can decrease the delay by decreasing resistance. So now please watch how I was soldering the PCB. Okay, let's test the circuit. I connect the power and wait 10 seconds. As you can see, the device works correctly. Thanks for watching, please leave the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.